here we go. We're going to start with presenting quickly our software. First of all, we're going to start with logging in with a wrong login and wrong password. Wrong username or password, that's good. Afterwards, we're going to use one that we've actually created. Perfect. So here we go, Andrea the admin. We can actually go here, look at the profile, edit the information, and everything is going to be saved. Here how our main window looks like. We can go in the phone book and say, okay, so I want to look for Andrea. Here we go. We have Andrea admin and Andrea Bertin as being having a role in the architectural engineering department, and also being a student. Another thing to do is we can add an employee, which with the first name Barbara Weber. CPR should be of 10 digits. Then we can say it's in department DTU compute. We can make it as an admin in our software. We can say, okay, so the address is something and the number. We did add the Barbara with initials BAWE in our system. That's good. We can go back and search, okay, so Barbara, here we go, Barbara is here. Another feature is we can search for the offered courses. Currently we have 4 in our register. We can see, okay, so physics, here we go, physics. We can also add a course, which for instance is Math 2. Here she's supposed to be number, name, ECTS 10, level, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor in Engineering, compute, responsible, so we add Steven Hawken as the responsible in our course, teaching assistant, Cristian Botezato, schedule, prerequisites, discrete mathematics, here we go, we can add more, Agile software development, and welcome. So the course is here, Math 2. Now I can say, okay, so we are looking for actually Math 2, it was with a space. Math 2, oops, Math 2. Here we go. Here is Math 2 that we've created with the course responsible in it, and with the level of education department and course responsible in it. Another nice feature is with the study program. You get the associated course for the study programs. For instance, we want to say general engineering, capital E. Here we go, general engineering. We want to add one more, let's say bioengineering, social science engineering. Then we want to see, okay, so bioengineering is here. Search for rooms, we have these rooms in our register. Here we have a filter, 100, so we get rooms that have maximum capacity of 100, let's say 500, then we get all of them. Management tool, so basically the point of the management tool is updating the main window. So if we press course management, we're going to update the main window with the course information. So we have course name, number, ECTS level, education department, course responsible, teaching assistant, number of students enrolled in the specific course. We can also add courses like we did previously, added the course, and also remove the course. So are you sure? No. We can also search for the course. Let's say physics. Here we go, physics, and Albert Einstein as the responsible. Then we say, okay, so we want to look for the employees. We have Barbara, Andrea, Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, Alan Turing, and an admin. Let's say we want to look for Alan. Here we go, Alan Turing. We want to add one, add it, or subtract as before. Study program, here we go, general engineering. We have the courses for it. That's good. We want to add one more course, algorithms. Here you go, algorithm is here. We can add or subtract study programs at the same time. Afterwards, we want to go to the student management. We have us as students. We can search for us. Let's say Christian. Here's Christian. We can add, edit, or subtract. Subtract, no. Campus management. Here is a thing that we've created, having buildings and rooms assigned to buildings. We can also say, okay, so we want to add a room, which is 320 with capacity 100 to this building 303, right? So we have 320 added here. We want to remove it afterwards. Here we go. We can search likewise. Yes, we can go back to our home panel, home window, and we are done. We can say, okay, so when I log out or exit. Exit basically goes out of the program totally, log out, reinstantiate the login frame. So we want to say log out, and here's login. And afterwards we can go with a student. So Christian, login, and here we are as students. We have only the phone book for everything as showed before, and we are able to see the offered courses, study programs, and search for rooms with the same filter. We are also able to go and see our profile, so we can change information and update it. We also can see our courses and register for courses. For instance, when I say, okay, so when register for algorithms, add, you successfully enrolled to the course Agile Object-Oriented Programming. That's amazing. Okay, then we can go out and log in with the professor. Let's say with Albert Einstein. Albert, here we go. So here is Albert Einstein, phone number, phone book, offered courses, study program, search for rooms, the same feature, filter feature. We can also go for the My Profile for Albert Einstein and edit the address. Let's say Relativity Road, update information. Information is updated. We can go to My Courses and say, okay, so these are the courses that Albert Einstein is assigned for. We can go here. We can give grades to students over here. We can also extract the course data. So by extracting the course data, we generate a PDF with students enrolled in the course. Yes, and then we can say exit or log out. So we just say exit, and we are done. Thank you very much for your attention.